to fix problem of not receiving incoming calls in GB WhatsApp, what you need to do is just clicking these three dotted icons in the upper right hand side of your GB WhatsApp. Then you move to the GB settings. After moving to the GB settings, you move to where we have privacy and security option. After moving to this option, you will see an option that is written "Who can call me?" You notice that you are unable to receive calls since these options have been set to nobody. But in order to solve this problem, you can just allow everyone to be able to call you. But at my personal level, I'll just say that only my contact can be able to call me in GB WhatsApp, and I will set the action which I require to the non-contact when they try to call me to be responded by the GB WhatsApp. But if you want that everyone can be able to call you, you can just click everyone and you are good to go. Thank you for watching. Kindly don't forget to give the video a thumb up so that you never miss out any of my future content like this. Thank you.